national record was set over the weekend here in Southern California. Paano nangyari yon? We have details this afternoon on Kababayan Today. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Janelle So, ang inyong kababayan sa Los Angeles. And this is America's first and only daily talk show for and about the Filipinos, your Kababayan Today, kung saan po mainit pa rin po ang balita naman ng pagbisita rin ni Pangulong Barack Obama sa Pilipinas. Yan at mas marami pang balita sa aming balita segment.
Pinoy na Pinoy, Weekend Balita.
Ronnie Ligo is the editor-in-chief of Weekend Balita and US Asian Post, ang pinakabagong broadsheet para sa ating Philippine-American community here in Southern California. Ronnie joins us weekly dito sa ating programa via Skype mula sa kanilang newsroom sa Glendale. Magandang hapon sa iyo, Ronnie.
Magandang hapon sa iyo, Janelle. Kailan mo ba narinig na may nag-offer ng latundan o kaya lakatan dito sa Amerika?
Oo nga, ano ba yung latundan at lakatan sa English? But I'm very happy that bananas from Bukidnon are now going to be available here in the U.S.
Exactly, no? Philippine bananas are now available dito sa Amerika, no? Of course, tayong mga Filipinos, Philippine-Americans, tayong mga Filipinos, gustong-gusto natin yung mga saging natin sa Pilipinas. This came straight from Mindanao. Maalala ko nung there was one time when I drove from Mindanao, from Davao to General Santos, we saw these dole plantations of bananas, ano? At ito nga, ngayon dumating na ang first shipment ng Philippine bananas, yung tinatawag nating latundan at saka lakatan varieties.
Alright, ang hinihintay ko, Ronnie, is next naman sana yung mango, lalo na yung sweet mangoes from Cebu, di ba?
That's
at
true.
At saka Zambales.
Oo, or Cagayan de Oro yata, or whatever. Ano, at yun nga, mangoes, saka iba pang araw, sinasabi nila, guyebanos, kailan madating sa Amerika. Well, this is maybe the start. After 8 years ng application yata ng Philippine government, ano, to be able to ship directly to the United States, we are the first Asian country to export bananas to the Philippines.
Alright, habang papunta naman dito ang mga saging, papunta naman sa Pilipinas, si US President Barack Obama.
Yes, ano, October 11 and 12, andun si Presidente Barack Obama sa United States on the invitation of our President Benigno Noynoy Aquino. Of course, ito ay napakahalaga as far as their economic ties and military ties kasi nga alam naman natin we are seeking their help in trying to parry yung pagbubuli sa atin ng China, and this will strengthen the two countries' resolve in trying to secure yung dyan Southeast Asian region na yan. Nabanggit ko na nga, so October 11 to 12 nasa Philippines siya, and he will also be visiting, I'm talking about President Obama, Indonesia, where he went to school there when he was young, and Malaysia would be a rare visit to that country. So yun na nga, maasahan natin there will be pretty sure talks about increasing the US military presence in the Philippines.
Alright, and Ronnie, sana naman sa pagdating ni Pangulong Obama, tapos na yung nangyayaring gulo ngayon sa Zamboanga.
Yun na nga, no? Ang sinasabi ng Philippine government, hindi naman na parang minamadali nila yung pagmamap up operations kasi nga, alam naman natin, there are still 200 MNLF soldiers who are doing this, trouble in Zamboanga at yun na nga, hopefully makontain na. However, of course, maraming mga civilians na natatrap at tinatry nilang tumakas at may mga wounded at hindi man, may mga talagang fatalities na nangyayaring gulo dyan sa Zamboanga. Hopefully, this will be done, and the Philippine military is warning all these MNLF rebels to surrender, It will be an honorable thing, sabi nila, para matigil ang kaguluhan nila. Because, ang kailangan natin kung this is for economic reasons, it cannot be resolved by just, killing each other alone.
Exactly. And what's happening is they're using civilians in Zamboanga as human shields, Ronnie. In fact, nagpapasalamat tayo na pinakawalan na nila yung hostages. There were about 100 hostages. Pinakawalan na yan, pero patuloy pa rin yung pakikipaglaban nila.
Yeah, including yung Zamboanga City Police Chief, At yun na nga, kasi ang gusto nila, ang MNLF rebels, to establish their own separate independent nation, alam naman natin hindi mangyayari yan. At of course, there's another faction of Muslim rebels there where the Philippine government is establishing hopefully a lasting peace agreement with that other MNLF group naman yun, more Islamic Liberation Front. Well, hopefully when President Obama comes to the Philippines, this brewing battle in Zamboanga will be over soon and makauwi na uli yung mga ating mga kababayan sa kanilang mga tahanan.
Right. Maraming salamat sa iyo, Ronnie, sa paghatid sa amin ng mga balitang yan. Mas marami pang balita. Saan?
Of course, sa aming pong website, sa balita.com at usasianpost.com. And don't forget to pick up our newspapers, Weekend Balita and US Asian Post at your favorite stores.
That was Ronnie Ligo, Editor-in-Chief of Weekend Balita and US Asian Post. More power to you, Ronnie, and thank you so much for sharing those stories with us. When we return on the show, Immigration Update. Don't go away.